Here's my snowstorm in Shelton, Connecticut today. And I've already shoveled the blessed driveway once. And it looks like I'm going to have to shovel it again. So, I guess I really did need a snow day today, as my little elves are on strike. And I can't seem to find anybody that wants to shovel my driveway. So here's my snowstorm, Claudia. And I wish I could send you a little snowman in a jar so you could look at him every day, and then you'd get sick of it too. So thanks for asking. Hope you can see this okay. Bye.